Welcome to our 10-minute stretch. Just go around the body and trying to find some movement that help the body to be prepared for the day. So let's start with the neck. We can move side to side. While you move your neck, become aware to the other part of the body. Let's just come back to center and then open the front of the neck and tuck your chin in. Always breathe, connecting that movement in the breath. Coming back to center. Let's just take our hand and place the hand on the side of your head. The other hand is in your knee. Try to help that hip open at the same time. Very gentle. Just stretch the side of the neck, opening. Right elbow to the side. Very gentle movements. Breathing in and out. Just hold for a couple of breaths in here. And then slightly release and move into the other side. Left hand on your head, right hand on the knee. Press that knee and open to the side. Just breathe in and out. And release. Let's just move the shoulders. And going forward. Very easy. Extend the right arm. Just get the arm towards your chest. The other hand, hold the side. We don't bend the elbow. We just try to get the arm straight and try dropping those shoulders down from here. Very gentle. Just get the arm towards your chest. Make a try twisting the head to the side. Let's take a couple of breaths in here. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. In and out. One more breath. And slowly release. Release your arm. Move the shoulders. Extending left arm, getting the arm closer to the chest. Right arm, hold. Don't bend your arm. Just try to keep shoulders down and try getting those. Extension of the arm and chest closer, shoulders down, a combination of movement. And very gentle, twist the body. Twist the head to the side. Just breathe. In and out. One more breath. And exhale, release, coming back to center, and again, moving the shoulders. Getting arms to the side. Let's switch the legs. We have the right leg on the front, comes on the back, and if not, switch the other leg. Keeping straight arms. We are rotating the shoulders back and down, belly is in, lifting chin. And let's take a couple of breaths in here. In and out. One more. And exhale, release. Moving your shoulders. Let's grab the strap. And let's get the arms separated up. You feel your body can make it to lift and come back and rotate that shoulder. Okay? So the closer, the harder it is. The wider is easier. If you need to bend your elbows to pass by, just try to feel your body and modify as you need it. Extending the arms, taking a deep inhale, coming all the way to the top, and exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Next inhale, up and hold. And let's just breathe in here. Move your body, maybe slightly to the side, stretching. Keep breathing, don't disconnect to the breath. Very subtle movement. Maybe I can go deeper. Move to the side. Move to the side. In and out. In and out. And coming back to center, getting ready to get the arms behind. Opening the chest. Next inhale, coming up all the way to the top. Exhale back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We can play with the head and slowly move the head to the sides. In and out. Coming back to center. And exhale. Release. Hope you like. We can practice this daily. Inhale, the chest and shoulders get open. Namaste.